Hello everyone. After this, we already discussed about how can you draw layout. Okay, draw your PCB layout by in manual printing. You draw by sketch. Okay, or your marker pen. After that, you draw your layout. You paste your layout in your this page. This is uh, like a page, like a page. After that, you paste here in your cover plate. After this, you paste here the etching process are done. This etching process is not very easy process because here the acidic solution we used for this etching process. Which acidic solution? That is hydrochloric acid with hydrogen peroxide. That is the ratio. How can the hydrochloric acid ratio and hydrogen peroxide ratio, that is 3:1, or like this solution are making. Okay. If you delay because the thickness of copper is very high, the solution ratio of this hydrochloric acid and hydrogen peroxide, that is increasing. Okay. This is a aging process. I will not discuss deeply. Okay. The aging, after this session, okay, after this uh, uh, this lecture, I will discuss the teaching process descriptively. Okay. So that is the basic process in teaching process. Okay. This acidic solution are used for this teaching process. Okay. This is a container. Okay. And after that, your desired solution, this acidic solution, you put it, and after this, you put this PCB in this acidic solution. After this, some time, okay, that is 10 minutes or 20 minutes. That is, I already tell you, that is depending on your cover board thickness. This time you put here. Okay. After this, moving this solution, you see this line. Okay. You see here this is sketch line. After this sketch line are permanently put in your copper plate. Okay, automatically. After this etching process, that is the called etching process. Okay. After this etching process, we used the drilling. Okay. You see here, this is the drill. Okay, this is the drill position. Okay. So, in etching process, there is no drilling process are done. Okay. Manually, you drill here your desired position in your copper plate. Okay. This is the drilling. This is the drilling. Okay. You drill this copper. Okay. After this drilling, for which we drilling are used, because the component, through-hole component are used in this PCB. Okay. Through-hole components are required. holes. Okay. So for these holes, you required a drilling of your PCB. After this drilling process, you fix your component on your this PCB. Okay, this is a completely manual printing process, manual printing PCB process. This is the manual printing process, basically. This is some like simple circuit. For this simple circuit, is not very much complexity or manual printing. But in your complex circuit, okay, so very highly components or much components are required for this PCB. So for this complex circuit, you will not obviously you will not use this manual process. Okay. This is a very much critical process for this manual print for this complex circuit. This manual print. So you help for this complex circuit for automatic process and automation process, that is machine. Okay, in machine. Okay, this you use you make this PCB by your hand. Okay. But in your complex circuit, there is no hand use. Okay, so no human hand are used for this manual printing process. Or there is machines are used for this complex circuit. Okay. You see here these all are the components. All components are through components or not assembly components. Circle, not surface component. Surface mounted. These all are through components. You see here is the IC, like ATmega IC. These are register. Okay. These register are also through components. Okay. And these IC like that is some power converter or regulator. And this is a capacitor used. And this is for this short connections. This pin. You see here this pin and top this pin of my right side of this IC right side. This topmost pin and this fourth pin from bottom are soft. And another from this resistor. Sort this resistor by this bottom pin of this IC in this IC's right side. Okay, by this is a manual printing process. In my next slide, next session, I will discuss about this process. Okay, this photoresist method is a very important topic in PCB. Okay, for the PCB making. So thank you. Coming up in next session.